Hello everyone, this is Yolanda from CraftyScentiments.com and I'm back with another video. Today's video, as you can tell by the title, is going to be a little bit different, but I won't keep you too long, but I did want to make this little announcement that I wanted to let everyone know that I am no longer an independent demonstrator with Stampin' Up. I've decided to move on. You know, I've had the opportunity to travel and participate in their conventions, and I've had the most amazing time. You know, they have some really, really great conventions that they put on, and you have so much fun. But through Stampin' Up and my upline, you know, I have been able to meet some really great people, and I've made some lifelong friends. And I really cherish that. It's so much fun when you're sitting down with someone who has the same interest as you, and you sit down and you look at a catalog and you ooh and ah and have so much fun just talking about it. But then you have other things in common, so, you know, you develop a friendship beyond Stampin' Up, and I really, really, really cherish that friendship, the friendships that I've been able to make with everyone. It's been so much fun. But, so I guess the question is, you want to know, why am I leaving? So I want to make perfectly clear that I have no issues with Stampin' Up whatsoever. I still love their products, and I still will use them from time to time, because believe me, I have a ton of product that I can use. It will last me a long time. And I'll probably make a video or two with some of those things, but I won't be promoting them or be able to sell them. And most of them, a lot of them may be retired things that you might not be able to get, but you may be able to use something similar in your crafting. So the reason that I really thought about it, you know, I thought about it for a long, long time, is that I wanted something new. I wanted something different. I wanted more. I wanted to be able to have the freedom to use different products from different companies and then be able to share my crafty creations with you all. And if you're going to do it as a business through Stampin' Up, you really can't do that. But I just really wanted the freedom to be able to use what I want to use when I want to use it, and to be able to share it with everyone. So that's really the main reason that I'm leaving. So while I am leaving Stampin' Up, I am not leaving the crafting community at all. I'll still make the inspiration videos. In fact, I have some videos coming up very soon. But like I said, I'll be using a variety of products from different companies. And I hope you enjoy the videos that I make. So one of the other things I did want to say is thank you to everyone who has patronized my paper crafting business. I've gotten some wonderful customers just through YouTube and creating my videos, and I really do appreciate each and every one of you. I'll still be here on YouTube making videos, so you will still see me around. But that's pretty much it. I just wanted to let everyone know that I won't be making videos for Stampin' Up, but I still will be making videos of lots of different things. So why don't you leave me a comment down below and let me know what kind of things you would like to see. I'll still be doing cards. I'll probably maybe do some mini albums, because I love to do those as well. Little home decor items, I like to do those as well. So let me know what kind of things that you would like to see, and maybe I can incorporate that in some of my videos. But for now, I think that's about it. Like I said, I wasn't going to stay here too long to do a very long video. I just wanted to let everyone know that, in case you start seeing other companies and you're like, wait, what's going on? I just wanted to let everyone know that. So with that being said, I will see you all very soon with some more crafty videos. Thanks for stopping by, and I'll see you real soon.